Good morning, guys. Trying to adjust volume. Guys, it's going to be loud right now. 1 second. It should be loud right now. Prepared for this. You need to be prepared for this. Well, as I said in the chat, guys, sorry, I had to show a disclaimer first. Gold looking good for sell today. I'm looking for London low and New York midnight open. That's why I started early. So what I like here, going to tell you right now. We're still trading inside London range. First TP is going to be London low. Second TP is going to be New York midnight open. One second. Sorry guys, I started as soon as I entered the trade. That's why early, but it was just free fall. So we took London low. It was my TP number 1. TP number 2, actually 2R based on this stop loss over here, but I'm going to close earlier. So idea is, I was bearish on Friday. I really want to see we going lower. So you completely fill our fair value gap. I want to see lower once again. We still trade inside London range. I mean, we were trading. That's why I entered the trade. Price trace to premium, offer 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB. Obviously, I missed entry here. I didn't even was in front. I wasn't in front of my chart. So I was waiting for the retracement. I saw this week. It was confirmation with selling off. As you can see, I entered. Why the minute chart so different? But anyway, whatever. I entered at rejection, as you can see over here. My actual target was London low. I closed like half of my position here. Trying to hold lower to fill this 3-minute fair value gap. I call this, I don't know if I explain this, I call this smart money short. So basically, in long, it's long. Why I call this smart money long? Maybe it's stupid name, but it's unbalanced part of this fair value gap. That's my final TP. So yeah, sorry guys, I said as soon as I enter the trade. But I said this in the chat, so I did my best to explain this. $500 for today. And base hit. It's Monday. Base hit on all accounts. It's 9 a.m. Wow. I mean, wow. I like it. I mean, yeah. You know, Chris, I would like to see New York midnight open. It's exactly the same as I usually look at this on indices. So we never were trading below New York midnight open or never tested this level. Yeah, it was 30-minute sweep. Exactly. Yeah. So how we want to, like, I'm going to finish my sentence here. So as you can see, once New York midnight open, like, was offered here, we just were trading above this level. Kind of makes sense to retest this level again. Since I'm conservative trader, I was aiming for just a complete fill of this fair value gap, which is right below London low. And I'm not sure if it's right to say, but see this big fair value gap. We partially fill this fair value gap. Oh, you cannot see this, right? Over here. Let me zoom out a little, zoom in a little bit. See this fair value gap. We partially fill this fair value gap with this retracement down. But this green part still unbalanced, right? So at this point, since price went higher after this, I want to see we fill in this fair value gap. It was my conservative TP, guys. I don't want to look for another sell later to aim for New York midnight open. Maybe it will happen during PM session. I'm going to stream this as well, but yeah. Let me read the chat. Need to know more about Epic's offer. If I buy account 100K with 9. 1 second. I'm going to make sure. I don't remember. Second month is going to be 50% off, not 90%. So it's going to be quite expensive. This fair value gap on 3-minute chart. I'm not going to lie, I missed this entry. I wasn't in front of my screen. I was like, we didn't take any level. I'm going to try to short this. And I saw this huge wick. I was like, if it's rejection, it will just drop right now. So once I entered the trade, I started live stream, but it was just too fast. Gold, gold always best for pre-market trading. Where is my water? Oh, I need it. It's Halloween week. No, it's over here. Okay. It's Halloween week. No, it's my first trade this week. I wasn't at home yesterday. I'm going to share something with you. Yesterday I was invited like Christmas party for my kids do jiu-jitsu, and we were invited for a Christmas party, and I was driving for 40 minutes there. And it was like pub, like lots of beers there, lots of adult men there, and us, like little kids and other little kids. I was like, nice place for a Christmas party, especially for kids. I was annoyed already because I was driving 40 minutes to find out like it's really like it was like 21 plus everywhere there. I was like, kids, 4 and 6, 21 plus, Christmas party for kids. There is no playgrounds there. There is no like place for kids there. And I was like, I was asking like our organizers like, what we should do here? I mean, why you call this party? You can talk with other kids. And I was like, with other kids. I mean, they can do this like tomorrow on class. And we were there for like 15 or 20 minutes. I said like, let's go home, because I was extremely annoyed, and their teacher saw this. I was like, I mean, I'm person like, if I disappointed with something or not satisfied with something, I'm going to tell this. I'm not going to hide this. And I was like, I said like, it's not like what you need to call as party. It's not for kids. Like, what you expect to get from us. I was a bit rude yesterday because I was extremely annoyed, guys. 40 minutes like there, 40 minutes home, and it's kids. They hate to sit in the car. And I just wasted my time yesterday, basically almost 3 hours of my life. You need to know this. I mean, yeah. It was crazy yesterday. I was extremely annoyed. I was calling to my husband saying like bad words because I was like, why you force me to go there? Why you force me to drive there? And he said like, it's going to be so much fun. And one moment here, he decided to stay at home. I was driving and I was like, yeah, we had so much fun. It was so cool. Yeah. I mean, why they call this Christmas party for kids? I mean, how does that, what is party? Like, guys, really, nothing was there. I was like, maybe they're going to like do something for kids, some activities, like some food for them. No, nothing. Like, really nothing. I'm going to show you the photo right now to show you how it looked. I took a picture because I was still annoyed. I was annoyed. 1 second, I took the picture. So it was public. Oh, let me, 1 second, I'm going to show you. I need to share, guys. I need to tell this to someone. It was placed like this. See? Lots of adult men there. They were drinking like beer. And they were staying next to this wall with other kids. And we do nothing. Like, as you can see, there is no place there to play. Like, nothing there. I was like, It was just crazy. And it was like signs there, 21 plus, 21 plus everywhere. And my kids like 4 and 6. Like, Mom, what we're supposed to do this, like, to do here? I'm like, good question, Nathan. I don't know. Let's go home. Maybe. It was so much fun to drive 40 minutes with you guys. Yeah, guys, you cannot see me here. Sorry, guys. But I was extremely annoyed yesterday. Like, yeah, I'm becoming like so rude like lately. I guess so. You bullish on gold. I can be bullish after New York Midnight Open. I already explained the reason. As you can see, since New York Midnight Open here, we never traded to this level again. So this means makes sense to test New York Midnight Open again. I think so. Yeah. Yeah, my husband always says like my face with subtitles. Like that's really true, guys. If I don't like something, it's really like easy to see on my face. And I don't feel bad about this, by the way, as well. So, guys, yeah, I never hide my emotions. That's funny. So, guys, I may look for another sell to New York Midnight Open. If it's not going to happen during AM session, I will try to shorten PM session stream. Yes, not yesterday, it was on Friday. On Friday on Tradify TV, I took short. And funny to say, like, TP number one hit, like, 2 hours later, I guess, after, like, I entered the trade. But good trade on Friday. Good executions on Friday. Because I never was in drawdown. I just did trades to break even spot. And which just never was hit, by the way. And went to TP. Is it... Okay, I'm pronouncing your name correct, like Planto. Did I say this right? Plano, right? Plano. How to pronounce this? Plano. I mean, whatever. Last time I saw you like 3 months ago. Where were you? And you changed your name, right? Last one was... It's hard to recognize you. So we're slowly going to New York Midnight Open. I could hold longer, but whatever. I said I want to see rebalancing for a value gap first. Just would like to be conservative. Would like to see we going to New York Midnight Open. Actually, I could leave runner to this level. Yes, exactly. Should they open New York Midnight Open? Like all this, whatever works for you. Like I like New York Midnight Open, easier for me to understand. But should they open like same? Daniel, where is your entry? Yeah, I took this as well. Where is your entry? I took with 5 micros. You know, like I'm a bit conservative with size as well. It's quite hot today. Oh, just now? Like continuation of this from this fair value gap? All setup Lumi is taken today are low probability and low risk. I trade for 5 micros. I was risking $200. It's acceptable for me. to New York Midnight. I have about this. I was talking about this on my intraday bias video. I'm going to share it right now. By the way, guys, I finally prepared new video, which is OT retracement. I covered, let me see what, I covered like 3 types of OT retracement. Here's a video about intraday bias, but I'm going to show you like a small part of my new video. I'm going to record, it's going to be about SPX, OT retracement of RTH gap, regular OT, what happens when we break below or above OT, and OT of weeks on a high time frame. Canva. I'm going to show you right now. It's going to be so cool, but it's going to be long because it's over than 30 slides. So it's going to be so cool. I'm going to show you like small part of this. How to take screenshot? Oh, okay. So I guess I covered every single question in this video. So I will talk about what kind of session we need to avoid trading when we're using OT, what kind of setups we should avoid. For example, here's a chop, so avoid Asian range, obviously, or midday chop, for example, like we got here. Also, I covered part about not going to like make spoiler here. I covered part about weeks. And guys, you will like this 100%, this part. About weeks. So when we're using OT of high time frame weeks, like which is huge one. And also I covered part about RTH gaps on SPX. You will like it, guys. It will be extremely helpful for you. Covered part about SPX gaps. But once again, it will be exactly the same way on ES, like RTH gap, but just easier for me. So I will record this video maybe like today, maybe tomorrow, but I will explain like everything, like regular OT, when you need to, from where you need to draw this, which swing high and swing low valid, which one are not valid. What happens when OT broken? This means once we break below, let's say we have bullish OT, we broke below 70.5%, what will happen? What else? How to trade of this OT, how to use OT of high different weeks, and RTH gaps. So it was hard for me because, you know, it's really hard for me to prepare slides presentation because I need to like write text there. And I was like, I will try to find some information on Google to just like make this a bit more like beautiful. And like, guys, about OT of high different weeks and RTH gaps, there is no information about this at all. This means it's going to be unique information. Yeah, it's Google folder. I guess I shared Google folder like last week, but I'm going to share again. Guys, yes, this week I will run lots of giveaways. It's going to be evaluations. It's going to be like, you probably wanted, copier. It's going to be copier, like some subscriptions for copier. Not for Ninja Trader, just saying. You can use this on Mac, you can use this on Windows. What else? I don't remember. Funded Next, Lucid, Tradify, Take Profit Trader, Copier. I'm not going to tell you which one. TradeZella. I have notes about this somewhere. It's going to be this week. Lots of giveaways. It's going to be lots of accounts for giveaway. Obviously, it's going to be more than 5, more than 10 for each. Why it's so hot here? I don't understand. Check. I'm going to check ES right now. As you can see, gold still approaching New York Midnight Open. I would try to retrace, but since Daniel is in trade, I'm going to just say like straight down to his target. Okay, let's check ES chart. This one, what I took on Friday, by the way, on stream. So right now, what is going on? We broke above monthly open on ES, first bullish sign. We're trading above weekly open, another bullish sign. We're trading above New York midnight open, third bullish sign. So where we can go? We can bounce to this hourly order block probably. You know, like overall picture and high frame bullish. All-time high looks so good to be taken, but I would rather to manipulate first half of the week lower to 6,800 on ES and look for longs from there. So what can happen at the open, which I can trade as well, which is nothing wrong with this, right? We can maybe go here, which is perfectly fine, but I would rather to look for the retracement down right after this. I think so. Why I would like to see the retracement higher? Not retracement, just move higher. We have lots of higher lows so far. This means we're building low resistance to downside, basically failure swings, right? We're trying to respect trend line, so last move up can be obvious because we will enter premium array, which is hourly order block, and we can short from there to New York midnight open. Right? So I'm going to be conservative. We don't have any news today, but if it's going to bounce to hourly order block and will offer maybe like 5-minute or 3-minute OB, I might try to short this. I'm not sure about stop loss. I will adjust this, obviously. I'm not sure about this. But maybe. I would like to see the test of New York midnight open. Why? Because we never traded to New York midnight open after 7 a.m., which is good sign. We will go there. Yeah, like it's first plan. Second plan feels like if it's going to reverse right now, it's going to be from nowhere, which is hard to trade, right? But like as initial reaction, even if it wants to be bullish from this hourly order block, will be perfect to short to New York midnight open. Maybe not New York midnight open, but monthly open. Which opening what do you mean by opening? What do you mean fair value gap? Yeah, you're right, but we already broke above 50%, which makes me feel like if we broke above 50%, we can completely fill this fair value gap. And at this point, let's take hourly order block, right? Oh, 9:30 a.m., 9:30 a.m. Look at gold. Daniel, good job. You can close your trade. How many points you got? Like, I guess same as me, right? Oh, even more. Good job. Let me see. You said 68.71. Let me check. I'm going to check for you. Oh, you get bigger one. I got it. Yeah, okay, that's perfectly fine. But you know what we got here? We got huge sequence of up close candles, and we got like huge displacement below this. So what this means? Since pretty much this order block covers both premium and discount, so what I would like to see, the test of premium again. So basically it's going to be OT retracement, something above this level, but it's still part of this order block. If you want to measure 50% of this order block, it's going to be right at hourly OB, internal order block. So which makes this exactly, you can consider this exactly the same way, see? Mean threshold here, we can go there. Since it's huge order block, we want to see the test of this order block, preferably 50%, or we need to stay below 50%. So this means like my plan looks good, right? I'm not sure about stop loss. I'm going to adjust this. It's like it's first initial plan. Yeah, we will see. Guys, you bullish or bearish on indices today? Hit the like, let's do giveaway. Bullish, LG Trader and you, how far you want to see? Where we going? Like previous week high? How far? Overall, I feel like I'm more bullish, but I would like to see the retracement down. Previous day high, which is basically previous week high, right? Like if it wants to be bullish, I would try to do something like this, you know? If it truly wants to be bullish, I would try to do this. We can get our 20 points on this year short and be done for the day. I don't really want to long trade immediately at the open. I would try 734. At 703 we have daily volume imbalance. Did you see this? On NQ. We had our 1 hour change in the state of delivery. Oh, I got it. Okay. Why I have so many candles here? I need to change to 5. Okay, guys. Starting this week, I will do, not today, but next this week, I will do another way for giveaways. It's going to be my personal bot, and it's going to be fair. It's going to be my personal bot. It's going to be different bot, guys, but today we are going to do old one, but this week I promised. Today is the last day of this bot. So for giveaways, it's going to be easier to pick the winner. I still need December contract. Need an offer today to switch, but I was like, I'm going to, like, ideally I want to switch once needed trader tells me this, like, switch to new contract. But I was like, okay, I'm going to switch tomorrow because I don't want to draw all levels right now on my chart. I will do this tonight. Keyword is going to be today, but it's going to be last day of keywords. Starting tomorrow, this week is going to be week of huge giveaways. We are going to do different way. So let's see if it's going to retrace the New York Midnight Open. Good morning, good morning. Guys, tell me, is it dark right now or not? What about light? Should I make this like darker or I need like more light here? Like tell me, I'm just playing with my light and trying to figure this out. It's fine, okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. So plan for gold was short to New York Midnight Open. I mentioned this in the chat because once I entered the trade, I started a live stream immediately, but I said this in the chat as well. So right after this, I expect to get some sort of reaction up. Let's try to zoom out a little bit. White cold like silver here. Okay, whatever. Way better. Actually, let's add SMT. Yeah, way better here. So I was trying to figure out what kind of bias I have for today. We sit inside market maker buy model, and Since it failed to take previous week high with this move up, we will retrace lower first. For retracement, we can expect Asia low, but I would try to look for reaction for New York midnight open first. New York midnight open reaction, but probably not reversal, sell to Asia low. So we may look for another trade. Let me read a question. Can you explain midnight open? You know, I don't really use New York kill zone, right? I don't use this like between 7 and 10 a.m., right? So I don't really need to have 9:30 a.m. open, for example, to see like what the relation between 9:30 a.m. and New York midnight open. Just what I would like to see. It's really like useful. Let me type in on screen. Oh, not this one. If price is going to be for indices and for gold, like you can try to use this for silver, like for any instrument. You need to backtest this first. If price didn't test New York midnight open, I would say no, not like this. If price didn't test New York midnight open between 3 and 7 a.m. New York time, Eastern time, we will see this level after 9:30 a.m. This means during AM session. So what I expected to get from gold, obviously did not expect to get this before market open, but we never traded near New York midnight open after 12 a.m. So obviously I expected to get this level. For example, same for indices. It's going to be exactly the same idea. Let's switch on ES real quick. So last time when we tested New York midnight open, it was 3 a.m., which validates this idea that we want to see retracement down to New York midnight open again, or up. It depends on the direction. This means this valid rule for indices today as well, right? So we will look for retracement down to New York midnight open on ES. But I would like to see a bit higher first. Too short. Maybe it will not happen, who knows, right? But I do like this idea. $145 on NQ, right? 362. Yeah, looks good. For retracement down. 558 would be the low. Okay. I got it. Which lines up with my hourly OB on NQ, because hourly OB on NQ at 553. Oh yeah, it's pretty much similar idea. Like, you know, on gold I trade only one model. I don't trade any other models on gold. I'm going to cover this again. Here we go. Let me add more candles to show you. So we got potential 30-minute sweep. So we were trading inside London range. Price went from discount to premium. We got 30-minute potential sweeps there in premium. 3-minute OB confirms this. So I missed this entry here. Ideally, I had to enter here. So when I saw this perfect short, I was like, I'm going to enter at retest if this candle is going to offer rejection. So as you can see, we got huge wick and I entered here. I closed over here, but where's 2R? Let's see where's 2R. I had to enter here. I had to put my stop loss at swing high and need to aim for 2R. We already got 2R. Okay. At 62. I closed at 64. So what I would like to see, ideally after market open, market already opened, okay. Maybe some retracement up, but short to Asia low, I guess. Oh, please, just not straight move down. On ES, I would like to see retracement down to New York midnight open. That's my plan. On ES, I would say on ES pretty much a trade M2 model, which YouTube deleted from my channel, but I tried pretty much M2 model and 20-minute sweeps, I guess. That's pretty much it. Let's check SPX where we opened. We opened at OT immediately. So we made it trade slightly higher first to this 62 and 70.5%. And let's highlight, I'm going to explain this in my video. Oh, sorry guys. I'm going to explain this in my video on YouTube this week about OT of RTH gaps, but so far let's highlight this. Open, close, open. We are going to use 25%. Initially it's up with 50%, I don't need this. So what can happen right now, we either can go here, to drop here, or drop here to go here. I have first part of M2 model on my YouTube. I'm going to share it right now. Another part was deleted. For no reason. Seriously. But here's the first part of M2 model. Pretty much covered everything there, but not that deep. Trying to trace lower, which I do like, but I don't really like this area for short yet. Well, it just dropped to New York Midnight Open without us. Hey, could you trace like higher for us first to short to New York Midnight Open? Was it really hard for you? New video is going to be about OT retracement first. Regular OT, what happens when we break in OT retracement? OT of high time frame weeks, like long weeks, and RTH gaps. Well, it just went to New York Midnight Open without us. Okay, taking notes and yes, taking notes. It's a scam. Once again, everything according to our rules, right? Over here. See? Not coincidence, right? Play out perfectly. I hope it's not going to take New York Midnight Open right now, so we can wait for the retracement to enter the trade. Let's see if gold right now retrace higher as well. Wants to retrace higher as well right now. And if it's going to stay within this range, I will try to short to Asia low. SPX tested 25% of RTH gap. I do like that 50% lower because it's pretty much lines up with New York Midnight Open. This rule works pretty much every time. You can take a screenshot of this, guys. Every time, but not 100% of the time, right? Quick 60 points. Isn't that perfect? That's amazing. Good job. We tested New York Midnight Open while on NQ, like on both ES and NQ, we still above New York Midnight Open. Only tested monthly open on ES. Come on, retrace. So we can enter another trade. You know what can happen? We can retrace to New York Midnight Open maybe during PM session, which I don't mind because I like to trade PM session so much for our BPR. Why I'm looking for this short, I'm going to explain again. It just, I would say pretty much classic market structure example. I'm not saying like it will play out, just saying. So we got nice move, we took liquidity level. We got nice move up here, but it failed to take buy side liquidity level. What this means? There is a chance to retrace back to discount again. And in this discount, what we have? Asia low. Right in discount. This means since it failed to take buy side here, I will try to see the retracement down and look for another attempt to take previous week high from discount. It just looks a bit better for me. This idea looks better for me. What do you think? How big chance to get this move down? Somewhere here, which is right next to 62%. I would say yes, when you see low probability conditions, but you see setup, nothing wrong with trading like small size. I traded like 5 micros today. That's perfectly fine. I made $500. Pretty much happy with this result. I'm going to switch on 2-minute chart. Yeah, I would like to see higher first. Like, let's try to stick to original plan. Please don't go to New York midnight open yet. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, guys, I stopped going to the gym 1 month ago. I started again, but I didn't go to gym since November. And I was waking up around like 5:50, 6 a.m. And today I started to go to the gym again. I woke up at 4:30 a.m. as always, but I felt so good. I mean, I didn't want to sleep at 4:30 a.m. It was so good. I went to the gym, it was perfect. Probably I look better today. Hey, ES, please stop. As I said before, like really would like to short to New York midnight open, but I didn't really see perfect structure for this. Okay. Painful. Okay, went without. I mean, cannot say it went without me because, like, just went to TP without offer an entry. What scam? By 1 tick? What a scam. Right? Nice drop here. Like, really perfect one. I would say textbook one. Okay, New York midnight open taken. I wish I wasn't this short. Yeah, it was quite obvious short. Just wants to see from here, like not from where we dropped. But yeah, the action from 30-minute fair value gap. Someone mentioned this before in the chat. Guys, click the like. Let's do giveaway. Try to short until Asia low. I mean, it's going to be FOMO probably, or chasing the price. Just would like to stick to plan. For December. Z. ESZ. For March is going to be ESH 2026. First one for December, last one for March. I mean, we must to stay away. So we must stay away. We don't have any other options, right? We had a plan. If it's going to retrace higher, we will short to New York midnight open. It's planned. We plan the trade, we trade the plan, right? At this point, was this part of our plan right now to short right at the open? Obviously, no. I had to wait for the retracement according to my plan to short to New York midnight open. I cannot say I missed something because it wasn't in my plan. Definitely. We got 2-minute OB here. Empty model was for short, which is perfectly fine. But in my opinion, idea was like we want to short from premium array. Premium array was higher. Yeah, it's green nails. Must be green days only. Gold looks good. Gold pretty much offered retracement exactly what we wanted. Once again, if it's going to stay within this area, I'm going to highlight this right now. I may look for short to Asia low. I'm going to steam Vistania on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. Oh yeah, I'm going to do giveaway. Yeah. Just click the like. SPX still trying to dance within this heritage gap. We almost touched 50%, but it actually failed to take this level. I never trade in Q, I'm trading ES, so I'm looking for a trade on ES. My initial idea was video tracing up at the open, I'm shorting to New York midnight open. At the open, we got straight move down to New York midnight open, so right now, just really hard to say what I expect to get. Obviously, it looks bearish right now. Can't say like extremely bearish because we barely broke above monthly open, but already looks better. We can get Scalp actually if it's going to break below New York midnight open. While looking gold short, we have 30-minute sweep. Well, I would say looking for short on gold, simply considering high time frame structure. I'm going to repeat again. I definitely can be wrong. Maybe I look at this a bit wrong, but see guys, we took this liquidity level. Perfect sweep. We swept this equal lows. That's brilliant. Right after this, we went higher. Obviously, we're looking for buy side liquidity. But what happened? It failed to take buy side liquidity and offered hourly change in the state of delivery. This means what? We may retrace back to discount, or it will try to take opposite liquidity level again. So first we will stay with discount retest, and in discount right over here we have Asia low. Right over here. That's why I would say classic market structure. It can be one of perfect example if it's going to play out. When liquidity failed to be taken, we're looking for retracement back down. For example, buy side liquidity failed to be taken, we're looking for discount retest or opposite liquidity level again. So right now, I don't see entry just yet, for example, to short this. But I like idea if it's going to once again respect this area with strong displacement, short to Asia low. But right now, I don't see entry just yet. That's the plan. That's pretty much it, without entry point yet. Yes, what is your problem? Like, could you trace here? We could short this without any questions. Why so rude? Come on. I cannot say like NQ looks extremely bearish right now. NQ just took New York midnight open. So we really need to see displacement below New York midnight open. Sorry, I touched my mic. If you know, you know. So we need to see displacement below New York midnight open, and at this point we may look for like short adapts. Yeah. Yes, could take opposite liquidity at 68, 63. Yeah, it's like internal liquidity. Oh, up. Okay, let me see. Yes, H 2026. You said oh, it's lower, right? Which lines up with I see. Oh, basically previous week low level, right? Mm-hmm. It was TP on Friday, by the way. It was TP last week. I got it. Mm-hmm. I would say you don't need to learn like technical analysis or something like this to read the market, because you need to like turn on logic. Like logic, to really ask questions. It does not mean like it will go there. I definitely get it wrong, but like questions. You want to ask questions. Okay, we took like ask yourself, nothing wrong with this. We took sell side liquidity level here. Okay, what I expect to get next? I ask myself, I expect to get move toward buy side liquidity level, right? But what will happen if buy side liquidity level fail to be like will not be taken, right? Like we got here. Okay, it was so close to liquidity level here, but it didn't take this. What can I expect next? So what should happen next? Probably we will retrace lower. Where we can retrace lower? If I see like such a big move up here, maybe back to discount. Because if price wants to be bullish, we want to buy in discount. We want to buy in discount to aim for what level? To buy side liquidity level which failed to be taken before, right? It's just logic, right? When you start asking questions, it's going to be much easier. Nothing wrong with this. Like, what happens if this is this, right? Jokes aside, it looks good to continue going lower. On gold. Chat. Yeah, I mean, it's like, I would say it's regular questions. It's like not about ICT, just regular questions, right? In which market? Like any market, even on stocks. Like everywhere. Options, stocks, like everywhere once again. Let's switch on indices. I like how ES trying to displace below New York midnight open while NQ trying to stay above this level. Okay. Let me switch back onto chart. It's going to be easier for you to, for me and for you to like to see everything here. As you can see, we broke above, we broke below New York midnight open, but price pretty much just swept this level on NQ. While on ES, we already broke below this level, which looks good for shorts. And to be honest, I'm just thinking like what I want to look for short. I mean, what I want to use for short. Obviously, I cannot, I cannot do like this. Okay, we broke with displacement. I'm going to put my stop loss at monthly open. I'm going to aim for weekly open. I mean, looks good, but probably not that smart to do this, right? Simply because we got break below this level. Because on NQ is still above this level, right? But looking for shorts, yes. Let me connect my TradingView account. Since base hit already on this 6. Micro ES. Okay, and keep trying to break below this level. We tested London low, but once again, ideally, I want to see we selling through this level, all the way down to weekly open. Yes, giveaway today. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. Trying to confirm this right now. Just looking for maybe like the test of order block, fair value gap here. I can do Lucid and Tradify today if you want, guys. I have some funded next, but I'm going to leave this for later this week because I have only 4 to share. Why do I have Asia low on my chart? How I forgot about this? I don't know. I would like to see lower than Asia low. Did I have this right? Yes, I guess so. Yeah, let's just try to wait right now. Let's see where this is going to close on 2-minute chart. I do like shorts or weekly open on yes. Would like to see lower than Asia low, honestly. Conservative, yeah. So we got closure below New York midnight open on both yes and NQ. We took London low on a yes, but failed to be taken on NQ, right? So maybe retracement and I can try to short this. Look at gold. Such a coincidence. Isn't that perfect? Like 6, 7. Really, guys, like I know why so many people trade gold, because gold follows every single concept. ICT, like smart money concept, market structure, I know, like break of support and resistance, trend line, everything works. It's exactly the same entries, honestly. That's funny because gold's really perfect. What mic do you use? It calls Soyuz. It's Russian company, but I got this in US. You can find it on Amazon, on the official website. It's not real gold, by the way. It's just like gold color here, but it suits me so well because I like to trade gold. Guys, hit the like. So far sitting with $500 on each account. This means base hit for today on Monday. Shorted from here. I already shorted before, but shorted from here. And that's it so far. Daniel, did you engage in the short on gold again? No? Me too. Lately, I don't have time to trade gold, unfortunately. Like, really, unfortunately. Oh, I got it. You know, New York midnight open is not liquidity level for me to consider reversal from there, right? Good morning, good morning. Happy Monday. Giveaway, going to do Tradify and Lucid today. For Tradify, I'm going to, let me check what I have. I will do, 1 second. Ouch. For giveaway, today we are going to do Lucid. Tradify, I will do like 2 Lucid and 1. In one TradingView, 150k accounts. Well, today price action is really nice, right? From this fair value could be short, as I said before, but didn't test this. Would like to see a test of weekly open, like idea, not sure about exact idea yet, but this one, probably. Silver bullet for Asia, depends. On gold, really hard to say. On gold, it's probably is going to be, let's see. I'm going to look how often I trade gold in Asia and what time. Last time when I traded gold. 1 second. What time it was? I didn't trade gold for a long time in Asia. Last my trade on gold was Thursday. Because time shifted, I guess between 8 and 10 p.m. right now. Yes. So it's really maybe bad to say like silver bullet, but silver bullet. Okay, we will call it silver bullet for Asia. Sorry, Michael, if you're here, but like this. For gold. It's for gold. MMXM only. Are you kidding me? I don't know, like, silver bullet is basically 1 hour, right? Like, where we can find high probability setups. So maybe it's going to be, how to call this time window between 8 and 9? Let's call this silver bullet. At least people will understand what we're talking about. We have silver bullet for London, for AM, for PM sessions. Why don't have this? Why we don't have this for Asia? Come on. Asia kill zone between 8 and 12. So. You're funny, guys. Well, pretty solid price action. Guys, hit the like, let's do giveaway. I would say today was textbook price action on yes, almost textbook, if not this off at the open, right at the open. But still textbook and on gold. It was textbook everywhere. Isn't that perfect? Why not 9 and 10? What's wrong with market? Market is perfect today, like seriously. I would say predictable. Predictable. I made $500 on each my fund account, but I have TradingView select plan, which I almost passed, but still did not. So I need one trade there, so let's take something on these evals. I connected them. Also this week I will do select plan for giveaway. How many I have to share? Let me count. 10 plus 5. I have 15 select plan from TradingView. I have, I guess, 20 or 30 or 30 accounts with Lucid. I have 4 funded next. It's for you guys, it's not for me. It's fine to say because I can trade these accounts, but I never trade them. I always share with everyone. It's not going to be for one day. I'm going to do this like this week, but everywhere. You know, if you're trying to short right now, I'm not sure. We got a test of weekly open, is what I was watching. CMXM on a good price action. I hope PM session is going to be nice. But since we got solid AM session, probably PM session is going to be garbage. On Friday, I wasn't short. I took the short on live stream on Tradify TV. I shorted this move. Entered here. Took some partial here. Went to TP over here, which is nice. But I was aiming for previous week low level. MXM only, is it expensive? On gold? Definitely. Depends how far you want to see. We're approaching Asia low. It's like 8 points away. It was TP. That's pretty much it. So I mean, it's still bad because we have room to go lower. But depends what you want to use for entry for your stop loss. Well, SPX completely fills this gap. I like it. What level is trying to take right now? We have buy sentiment, early buy sentiment at 67, 90, 96, which is 30 points lower. Oh, seriously? I didn't open Discord today yet. But good call. See? Hit the like, let's do giveaway, guys. Look at this action from monthly open. So it does not make any sense anymore. Okay. Let's see what it's 10:05, so we entered silver bullet time. Oops. It's 5-minute chart, alright. You know, as long as you're below New York midnight open, I don't want to long this. This means I don't want to be first buyer. Even if it wants to offer the action from weekly open, I don't really care. I will look for longs only at the break above 68.50 on ES. Gold view, already shared before. Would like to see Asia low taken. You're trying to long gold. What level you would like to use for your entry and what is set up? Oh, thank you, Chris. I'm so glad to hear this. See this. Because as long as you're below New York midnight open, probably I'm going to stick to original plan from Friday. Look for previous week low from last week, 68.02. I still use December contract, guys. Ninja offered to switch, but I didn't want to withdraw all levels on TradingView, so I said, today I will stick with December contract, and tonight I will withdraw all levels for new contract. So today still old contract. Wait a minute, I just realized on my Ninja Trader it's different contract. Can I put in my old one? No? No? Are you kidding me? Hey, please. Well, if I'm going to execute, I'm going to execute it on March, because I didn't realize I don't have December contract on my Ninja Trade. I have March contract. Hey, please. Okay. It's going to be hard then. Hit the like, let's do giveaway. Well, I don't know what kind of price I'm going to aim for then. Okay, 1 second. I'm going to highlight on Ninja Trader right now. No, I'm going to highlight here. Are you kidding me? Previous week low level price on new contract at 68.64. Okay. I'm going to watch this because here's weekly open. And New York midnight open. Sorry, guys. I don't have a single level. At least something. Okay, New York midnight open at 16. I'm going to head on Ninja as well. 69.09. Weekly open 68.91. And previous week low level at 68.64. Okay, got it. Thank you. Highlighting. Okay. A bit too low right now to short for me. So maybe I would like to see this one to short back to 2-minute fair value gap. I think so, yeah. Who's still holding short on ES and Q? What is your target? Previous week low level, right? Should it tracement? Yeah, please. Oh, it's not this one. Sorry about this. Can I please retrace? Just asking. Mind the retracement, we will try to trace this. Guys, yeah, I will do giveaway once we hit 300 likes. Just click the like. Let's do a Lucid and Tradify for today. SPX completely fills the RTH gap. Makes sense for retracement, at least minor retracement back like so 68.40, 68.45. Oh, you're very welcome. I'm going to set the lower at 68, 63, 68, 63. Okay, SPX. It's completely free indicator. Just going to send you a link if you want. Oops. So basically test of New York midnight open, I got it. Come on, 30 more likes, I will do giveaway. Good morning, good morning. Twenty more likes for giveaway. First one. Let me make sure. SPX. This one. SPC CFD. It can be just straight move down, by the way. Without any retracement. You're welcome. It's not keyword. It's not keyword. It just... No, don't type this. It's not keyword. It's not keyword, guys. It's just SPX chart. Stop it. I'm going to give you keyword like 10. Okay, I'm going to give keyword right now because you started already participated. This on keyword. This on keyword. Right now you can start typing this if you want. You're funny, guys. Looks like straight move done, but previous week low level looks good. I would say December 1st low. It's previous week low level from last week. How can you short? I'm not going to short this. If it's going to retrace back to this area, basically 2-minute adapt for a value gap, I will try. Somewhere there. Shorting right now, just chasing the price. Like shorting right now equals chasing the price. Even if it's like logically where we're going right now. Yeah, but for second stage, what you want to use for second stage? Some distortion first. So I will try to retrace back to this range. This one I can try to short. I mean, definitely we'll go in lower. Definitely. Like, no questions about this. I'm 0% right now bullish. Like, on short term bullish. I'm bearish. On Friday. I didn't trade AM session. I only traded PM session, but I was holding short from like day before. So I entered short on over here. It was basically Thursday 6 p.m. I entered short. I was holding short. So I expect to get dropped. But I didn't trade the AM session on Friday. Maybe it looks similar, yeah. Yeah, previous week low level in Q and we have daily untapped for a value gap. Okay guys, let's do 1 more minute for a giveaway and I'll announce winners. And Q trying to leave this previous week low level, which is cool because we made it trace to short this again. Okay guys, let's do 30 more seconds for these accounts. I'm going to do Lucid and Tradify today. And guys, okay, stop typing this keyword. I'm going to give you a new keyword in 1 minute. Let's announce winner. We got a winner. Are you in the chat? Are you here? Yeah. Can you please add email to description of your YouTube? You won a Lucid account. I need your email first. I'm going to give you another keyword. Oops. Here's another keyword. SPX also has levels lower, which is liquidity levels, right? We need to go lower. Let's see if it's going to trade. It's really hard to engage in this short from here. I will try to engage from here. Yeah. Would like to see 6802 so bad. I'm perfectly fine right now. Just wait, because it's not the place where I would like to short. The retracement I will try. Right now, just chasing the price. Okay, just 10 points low, 10 points away from this level over here. Okay, we're about to touch the daily fair value gap. Okay, guys, let's do 1 more minute for this account. And Q2 previous week low level, once again, yes, definitely has room to go lower. Still nice price action today. I would like to see 6802. I mean, for now, but definitely we can go lower. We have daily untapped fair value gap at 67.80. We have daily volume balance at 66.54. It's still lower. Thank you for an email. Okay, guys, let's pick this winner. It's going to be another Lucid, and after this I will do TradingView. And winner is you. Hard to pronounce this. Yeah. Are you in the chat? You won Lucid account today. And I will do a TradingView right after this. I guess I cannot do scam word. Let's ask one more time. Still no. Hey, are you in the chat? Please. I will give you 15 more seconds, please, to say, yes, it's me. I'm here. I won. Please. You know, like, it's funny because second right after I'm going to pick another winner, he said, it's me, hello, I'm here. It's like always. Like seriously. I told you. Okay, you won. Can you please add email to the description of your YouTube for me? I need email to send your account. Just go to settings, description, and add email. Okay, another keyword. Another keyword. Done. Last keyword. Okay, we're approaching previous week low level from last week. Not current one as well, but I'm looking for 6802. And you enter daily fair value gap. I like gold lower as well. I mean, you know, I would like to see gold lower. 6837.7 on gold, it's TP. Right now we can see some reaction because SPX took previous week low level. We took another like internal sell side liquidity level. I would like to see like minor reaction, but still would like to see like lower right after this. We have an unfinished business lower. No. Can you please add email to description of your YouTube channel? Just go to settings on YouTube and add description. In the description you need to add email. Value area hits again for, yeah, 216 points. That's just wow, right? Should I ask for, should I ask market makers in maximally? Yeah, just chops there, so nothing like interesting. Guys, I already picked 2 winners for Lucid accounts. Right now, picking the winner for TradingView account. SPX trying to retrace it, which I do like because we took previous week low level. Only yes, it failed, which is good sign it's going to go lower. But not right now. We need some retracement. Well, hard to talk about NQ because NQ is the end of daily fair value gap. I'm looking for retracement up right now, like somewhere here first. Let's see how it looks on 5-minute chart. We got the imminent inversion on yes, but NQ failed to offer one, right? Gold right now is at consolidation, so nothing interesting there. Oh, hello, Michael. How are you doing today? Good price action, right? Like everywhere. On ES, on gold, like everywhere. Michael, we have a question for you. Like, really good question. What do you think if you are going to give, like, between 8 and 9 a.m., not a.m., p.m. session, between 8 and 9 p.m. New York time, new name. It's going to be Asia Silver Bullet. How do you like it? We need your approval. For gold. We're just trying to figure out what is it like for gold, Asia Silver Bullet. Will be fun. Thanks. We're just trying to figure out how to call this time window between 8 and 9. I feel like Silver Bullet looks good, right? That's funny, right? Okay, guys, I'm going to pick last winner for now, for this giveaway. Tradify account. Stop typing right now. Winner is... It's always hard to pronounce these names. Are you in the chat? Yeah, I see you. Can you please add email for me so I can send you account? I see your email. Perfect. If you want account, you need to add email to the description of your YouTube. I see you. I see you. I see your email. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's focus on price action. So we need to finally finish this account with Tradify. I already asked Michael about like question. We created new silver bullet time. You forgot your question? I had a question as well. I don't remember then. On gold, it's sharp, but as said before, prefer to take Asia low. Asia low is drawn liquidity. Nothing changed. It's still the same. Quite big ranges right now. Oh, it's not big ranges. It's just I have different contracts. I'm just trying to compare micro ES and ES right now. On my micro ES, I use NinjaTrader for this. It's completely different price. I was like, I'm going to draw levels for, I guess, PM session because it's really hard right now to engage. Below 60, 66. What level I said before? ESH 2026. Oh, come on. What's the price there? 68, 64. Oh, I got it. We didn't take this. 68, 64, it's 68, 60, oh my god, 68, 90. Okay. Okay, whatever. Okay, guys, what I'm watching right now, I'm watching if it made it trade slightly higher to engage in shorts to aim for previous week low level and December 1st low. Ideally, I would like to see we going here first, but definitely we can just drop. That's perfectly fine as well. Gold, I would say depends. Sometimes we have nice price action during silver bullet on gold, during AM session, I mean. When we have like chop during pre-market, I would say between Asia and pre-market, like 9:30 AM. So at this point, it's really garbage price action to trade before market open, but silver bull is really nice. So right now, it's not really like perfect and tradable, I would say, on gold, but I would like to see lower on gold to aim for Asia low at 43.37. That's what I would like to see. I shorted gold already before. I shorted from here. I still would like to see lower. Yes, I would like to short down to previous week low level, but probably would like to see the retracement up first. We can just drop without this, like no problem, I guess, for this. I'm just saying, like, I don't mind to see retracement higher to short down to these levels. I'm bearish for the day, at least for this session. We need some reaction right now, definitely. We entered daily fair value gap on NQ. We broke below previous week low level. Even if it's like fake SMT right now between ES and previous week low level, we need to see reaction. At the same time, SPX took previous week low level. Like, really would like to see reaction up first. A bit boring, but yeah, that's perfectly fine. Yeah, I asked ICT, he said, like, we're perfectly fine with this. Like, we can use this without problem. So for the retracement, probably test of 2-minute fair value gap here or New York midnight open. Will be nice to see. But once again, even if it's fake SMT, I would like to see this retracement up. The 3-minute chart, okay, 5-minute, 2-minute chart, okay. We have inversion on 2-minute chart. We have inversion. Do we have this inversion? Not yet. We don't have this inversion yet on NQ. Kind of would like some longs right now, but it's going to be against the trend. I might try just this. I don't know yet, but maybe small size to try. If it's going to displace, I probably will try this. I think so, yeah. It's going to be against the trend if it's going to displace, but I will try with small size just to try. That was good. Guys, who's trying to long as well? I mean, who's trying to long right now? I kind of like opportunities to just retrace higher. Not sure how far, but probably here. We'll put stop loss below fair value gap. 3 micros probably I'm going to risk around like $150, $170. What do you think? Looks good, right? Just, I know, like, looks good so far. We're trading above. We're trying to break above the weekly open so far. We have this so-called SMT, but probably not real one yet. Okay, we closed above weekly open here. It will not retrace. Looks good. Right? I'm not sure about complete reversal. It's like all these straight move up, straight move down. Gold just consolidating. Probably PM session will be solid. NQ approaching weekly open as well. So already broke above this level on ES, which is bullish sign. We're looking for retracement. Why? Because on SPX, you need to look at this. On SPX, we took previous week low level, like makes sense for retracement. How far? Maybe 50% at least, but preferably OT, I guess. So looking for retracement to this area right now on SPX. This one, right? You know, the problem with this long is going to be if it's going to take 50%, it may offer like a reversal from here. Sorry, guys. Since in Q below weekly open, I would like to see some sort of this scenario. We trace them back to this 2-minute OB, 3-minute, 2-minute OB continuation. I'm looking for daily and not daily. Why I keep saying daily if it's 2-minute chart? 2-minute fair value gap. Let's see if it's going to retrace here. Let's check on 1 minute chart. If it's going to retrace here, like back to this entry, I will try this long. Lines up with 5 minute OB. Looks good. What about 15 minute chart? 15 minute chart, we just entered 15 minute fair value gap. Would like to see higher. I would like to see basically the test of equilibrium of this move down. %60 lines up with this 2 minute up fair value gap. Looks good. It looks really good and solid right now. Just for the trace and back up. I'm going to delete these levels from my chart. SPX did not hit 50% as well. Like these two levels that I'm watching for targets. US 100 rocket pinpoint entry. Okay, I'm going to long with one lot. Where you want to long? ES and Q? Sorry, I was just focusing on price action. Yeah, ES looks really good right now. Like 68.40. Like it's like at least preferably 68.46. Gold looks garbage, really garbage so far. It was so close to Asia low. I did like Asia low. If you're on March contract, I'm going to measure level for you. It's going to be on March contract 68.98.25. 68, yeah. $68.98.25, yeah. Which lines up with 68.40 on AS. On old contract, December contract. On March contract, I would like to see a 68.98. Yes, 68, 38, 68, 40 on SPX. If it really wants to drop, it will drop from this like yellow box. I call this target area. We're going to this area, preferably to this area, honestly. But I will give this bigger room. Let's see. Come on, gold. Maybe 30-minute sweep on 3-minute OB to short to 1 to 1, 1 hour, like short. Below 68.49 for 12 points. Can be an idea, by the way. Okay, right now trying to retrace exactly what I wanted. So guys, let's focus right now to see what will happen next. because if it's going to give us reaction, I will try to long this. I'm not going to use limit orders, I will use market order for this. Alright. Still flat, I mean on this trade. I wish I could come back to old contract here, but it's March, unfortunately. By the way, I'm not fan of limit orders, like really. I prefer trade reaction, and in order to trade reaction, I need to use market orders for this. Like really, I'm not fan of limit orders. If it's going to give us reaction, I will use market order. Like I always use market order. That's perfectly fine. Reaction gives me confirmation, right? I never try to wait for confirmation. For example, let me show you. For example, what is going on here? Like we got, it was trying to break above this fair value gap, but didn't, right? So if I want to put limit order here, like probably it's not best idea. Or I want to like enter at the test of inversion fair value gap. I want to put limit order here. But in reality, we can retrace way lower than this fair value gap, right? And I'll try to wait for the action, and I will try this long. Rather than put limit order here and be in drop down, right? Let's check YM. Oh, it's garbage everywhere. Okay. Good news. Who is stronger? Displacement candle, like displacement candle. If it's displacement, probably I can reduce my stop loss once we get displacement. Right now, for example, we don't have displacement. And once again, even if I want to put, let's say, I want to put limit order here at the test of inversion fair value gap, we can just go through this immediately. So I will try to wait for the action, displacement, and I will try this. No, it was just example. It was just example. By the way, guys, I'm streaming PM session every single day on TradingView TV. Normally, when I don't see a good setup during AM session, I execute PM session. But today per section were like they were nice, right? So I might look for another trade during PM session as well. I'm going to stream anyway. So join TradingView TV at 1 PM. I'm going to stream there at 1 PM. Today we will feel gap from November 25. Yeah, possibly. Everything can happen. I hate to predict. Gold needs to go to Asia low, otherwise it's going to be a scam, like really scam. What's the high? Is it equal? Are you kidding me? I cannot look for longs until we take Asia low. And it's like at least Asia low, preferably even lower. If it's going to close with my work. Let's see if it's going to close here, below this level. Yeah, he's right, actually. Actually, we got the closure. Only issue is going to be like 1-to-1, I guess. 1.5 R. It's going to be like one. It's horrible, this keyword, I know. But still, we have some SMT with silver right now. We're jetting from New York midnight open. It doesn't look so good, I know, but we got the setup on 5-minute chart. We got the setup on 3-minute chart, right? Looks good, right? Yeah, I'm trying this on these evaluations to pass them. As I said, it's horrible risk reward. It's Tradify select plan. I'm risking 360 to make 510, and if I'm going to take profit here, I'm going to pass the select plan. TP at Asia low. It's my second trade. Why I copy this on only one account? Are you kidding me? Whatever. Accidentally entered on only one account. Forgot to put leader account on copier, whatever. At least I may pass one account. Okay. Basically risking 7 points to make 10. It's... Where's my entry? Horrible entry, like really. Let's try to see. I entered here, my stop loss here. 1.3 R. 5 micros. Because if I'm going to take profit here, I'm going to pass this account. because I'm stupid and forgot to copy this on my other accounts. You know what is the issue? I need to, I'm going to show you right now. When I'm copying my accounts, I need to put leader account here as well. And I forgot to click account here. If I'm going to pass, I'm going to pass just one account. Why? Why, Dasha? Whatever. I'm going to go with daily payouts. If I'm going to take profit here, I'm going to pass as well. And I will go with daily payout. This means I'm going to pass just one account instead of my other, like all my accounts. But I will go with daily payouts. A bit choppy, but it was planned. If it's going to be a 3-minute OB, I'm going to try this, as said before. Trading to break even. Take this Asia low, please. The problem is gold can take this first compared to micro gold. I have feeling right now it's going to just go without, I mean, it's going to reverse right now. But I need 500 to pass. $500 and I'm done, please. Just a bit lower. Take it! Passed! How many points? 10 points, exactly 10 points. $500. So far, sniper exit, like to the tick. It's gold, micro gold, 5 micros, made $500. Money on gold today, like really amazing, right? 2 trades on gold, 2 winners today. First trade was here. See, Daniel, we took Asia low. Classic market structure. I told you, like, gold loves market structure. Nice trade. Yeah, happy I finally done with this account. I mean, possibly, you know, we still can go lower. Technically, we can go lower. We really need to get like smart money reversal to try this reversal. I had to enter higher at 50, but my entry was late. Well, idea. I discussed this before, but I'm going to share again. Did you get my point why I was aiming for Asia low? Remember I explained this before? If so, idea here was we kept rejecting from New York midnight open, right? And I said if it's going to offer 3-month OB, I will try this. We got SMT with silver. We got 3-month OB. I entered like too late. I had to enter 3 points higher. And I was aiming for Asia low. As said before, it wasn't 1-to-1. But it wasn't 1-to... it wasn't 2R. It was 1-to-1. Around like 1.3, 1.2R. But it was to try. Because it was like now or never. It's classic understanding of market structure. Like really classic one. It's basics. I'm going to repeat this again, but it's really basics. You can simply trade market structure and be profitable with this. Ideal entry at 43.50. Yeah, I entered at 47.8. I was late. But what video? I mean, if you're just trying to search market structure on YouTube, they will like it's pretty much the same everywhere. I don't remember like exact video because I was trying to I was trying to look for videos that I was watching that really helped me with this, but this guy probably deleted his channel. I don't know. Really don't know. But sweep. If you swap sell side liquidity level, we want to see what? Buy side, right? Buy side here. Fails to take buy side liquidity. According to classic market structure, we want to see retracement back to discount. Discount, it can be OT retracement lined up with Asia low. That was the reason. I wish I was fast enough because I was trying to figure out if I want to engage, but okay, 3 points not a big deal. But if it could be stop loss, it could be like difference, right? I could risk, I was risking 7 points, right, or so, but I could risk 4 points. And this point I could get to R, or at least 1.8, 1.9 R, or so. It's prop firm accounts, so basically, you need to check with your broker because it's all different. Check on TradeView if you trade with TradeView. So 2 trades today. Brilliant. $10 points, but I didn't need more. Like I really need 500 to pass the select plan. But I still have, guys, really good Lightning Fund accounts. They're really great right now. I'm going to pass, but I'm not going to trade immediately. I will try to bring my accounts to payout first. Consistency rule, 30%. Not great, I need 20. Okay, guys, let's sit a bit longer. So we got nice setup. What about the ES? I'm just trying to look at the ES. I mean, idea is here, but really don't like how bad it is right now. It looks so bad. But something like this, to at least 1.5 are yes, please. How long? This evaluation account, select plan, new TradingView plan, they have consistency rule. So I had to divide my days to trade them. I cannot pass for 1 day. I am funded with 34 accounts. I have no idea how much it is because I have 50K accounts for these Apex fund accounts. I mean, I don't know. It doesn't really matter for me how. It doesn't really matter. I'm just passive whilst trying to trade them because really not hard to pass when you don't have a consistency rule, like really. Apex right now 90% off, so I passed these accounts for, like my previous one, the same sale for 1 day. Yeah, that's great. Like select plans, that's the way to go. I already said I have Lightning Fund accounts, and it's a really good one right now. Really solid profits there, over than 5K on each. But I will try to bring these accounts to last payout. And I will start increasing the size to, I will try to blow them. Sorry guys to say this, but really, that's my plan because I want to trade select plan. If I want to compare right now Lightning funded with select plan, obviously I want to go with select plan. No consistency on funded. Plus daily payouts. Plus end of the day drawdown. It's way to go for me, right? Yeah, I'm not on this trade. I'm just... With this drop, we could get like 2R, by the way. But who actually like knows if it's going to drop more than Asia low? It's about to fill hourly fair value, completely fill hourly fair value gap. With ICT, okay, it depends on months. Like overall, my win rate, okay, for the last 3 months, 75% for the last 3 months. Because if I want to calculate this During summer, you don't want to know this. It's really bad. It's really bad. August, July was horrible, like really horrible. This month, I need to check. Did I take any losses, guys, on Steam? If I did, but it could be on Steam only. I need to check TradeZella. I don't remember if I took losses this month. Probably yes. I don't remember. If I did, it could be only on stream. Because I didn't take losses off stream, I believe. Don't remember. I need to check on TradeZella. But so far this month is really green. I don't remember losses this month. Definitely, maybe I have some. I just don't remember. On gold, really, on gold, my like default target 10 points. Like really, 5 to 10 by default. But I can adjust this like more. My base hit on for the day on my fund accounts $500. I don't need more than $500. That's why I consider like my size according to this. If I'm going to aim for 10 points, I will go with 5 micros. I don't need more. Yeah, I know lots of people trade mini contracts and I'm happy for them, but I'm fine with micros. I can trade 3 micros and I can take my base hit $500. And like, I don't need like, you know how I trade. I don't risk like, for example, $300 to make like $100. It's not my style. I really have base hit $500 and my goal is to go for this $500. That's pretty much it. Yeah, sometimes it's going to be like more than $250 risk. Sometimes it's going to be $350. Like sometimes it's going to be $300. But when I see hyperbuild setup, I will go with this, with the smaller size. You keep trying to trade NQ and gold at the same time. Well, my advice for you, like really advice. On my TradingView, I have tabs. You can also do this. Like this. You probably cannot see this, but I'm going to enter screenshot to show you. See this? For example, it can be for gold, for ES, for SPX, it can be for CL, silver, any instrument you trade, it can be Forex, whatever. But your task before market open is to understand what you would like to see from each market. You don't need to like watch, I know, ES, gold like all the time at the same time, right? No, you need to set alerts and see and say like, okay, if price is going to go here, I will try to short long because it's pre-market plan, right? So for example, my pre-market plan for a yes, and I really like it was great plan for a yes, was we're going higher, I will short to New York midnight open. Are you kidding me? Look at this, it's trying to pump, but whatever. Setup on gold was better. For example, if this level is going to be broken below New York midnight open, okay, I will invalidate my bullish bias, I will try to short, and so on. So you need to have like this kind of papers, and you need to write your notes, like really, like write levels and what will happen if this level is going to be broken, what you want to see. Definitely you can be wrong, but at this point you will have plan, right? If this level broken, probably my bullish setup invalidated. For example, New York midnight open, I'm looking for short then. Normally I get 10 points for one trade. I'm not perfect in scalping, to be honest, but today I got 10 points during pre-market, 10 points right now. I already discussed this, but really, guys, it's really hard for me to explain intraday bias because I guess like intuition and logic helps me a lot. But I wish I knew less, like seriously. Because I learned like ICT, I learned like lots of stuff about ICT, and I wish I knew less, like really, because sometimes this confused me more. I'm not going to lie. So, because guys, I already discussed, let me try to find it. I'm not sure if it's safe on my iPad, but, oh, 1%. Okay, let me charge you. Idea is, I was looking at my previous executions from like 2022, from 2023, and what I noticed was I had perfect executions. Like, really? It's from my iPhone, I guess. Maybe I have iPad so I can see all my photos. Oh, wow. See this, guys? It's all my photos. How many I have, like, really? That's a great question. I have no idea how many I have, but I have a lot. Trying to find to show you executions. 2022. Here we go. I found you. So I started trading in 2022. That's why I have executions, because I was taking pictures of this. I'm going to show you example. It was June 2022. No, it was still stock. Small cap still. Nope, not this one. Small cap still. I was trading small caps. Stocks. I didn't have great experience, honestly. Money today, like, overall perfect, right? I'm trading since 2022, June 2022. See, my idea on ES also play out, but gold once again was better. Trying to show you, like, idea is I was trading ES only. It was 5-minute chart. KFC, nope. I was trading 5-minute chart only, and it was unicorn setup on 5. Basically, combination of inversion fair value gap and fair value gap. Trying to find to show you. Oh, it's May, that's why. Come on, Dasha. I was like, where's executions? Here's June. Some options. Supply and demand. No, not this one. I had to have folder, but I cannot find this. I had this on my iPhone, but right now I don't have it. QQQ. Oh, I was it's funny because I was trading QQQ. As you can see, it's funny because I was trying to trade in Q. Let me switch on camera here. Can I? No. I was trading like retail stuff. See, double tap here. Break of. It's funny, but it's not ICT. This means I didn't start ICT in June. Yeah, I was trading Tesla, 5-minute bear flags. I didn't study ICT. See, Tesla, bull flags. When I started trading ICT then? No, I didn't trade ICT in June. I was lying, guys. Then when I started? Oh, yeah, I found June 2022, June 24th. I was trying to figure out what is fair value gap. See my notes? I was trying to learn this. That's funny. Yeah, I was practicing on my paper money account. That's funny. I really had executions like, wow. See, I was analyzing ICT on stocks. Friend, come on. End of the day drawdown on Tradify. My kids. Wow, I had so many like different level. It's Tesla. See this notes? Funny. Look at this. I was trying to trade in Q back in 2022. Wow. It was demo account, but still, see? Wow, that's funny. M and Q. I was analyzing M and Q as well. June 2000, yeah. Lower high, lower low. See, I was learning market structure. That's cool, right? Yeah, I do journal on TradeZella. Yeah, I like different colors. When I was in university, I had like lots of different pencils with different colors. It was nice. It was 2022 mentorship only. Oh, thank you so much. I'm trying my best, really, guys. I'm like transparency right now. I found consistency, like really consistency, in 2025, beginning of this year. Like true consistency in my profit, in my trades, in everything. I had like really bad months in July and August. That's perfectly fine. This happens. So it was my first time for like almost 2 years when I blew my accounts. Happens, right? It was really hard, July and August. Since then, like doing well. But yeah. Yeah, I guess I took. Oh, I took loss this month, but it was on TradingView TV. Yes. I remember I took some trades on stream, but it was on TradingView TV. I had loss this month. On Friday I took win, but I guess week before this I had loss. Minor loss, but it was loss. Yes, exactly. I had loss this month. Because, like, yeah, I remember I took this on stream, but I didn't remember if it was here on TradingView TV. It was on TradingView TV. I was trying to short ES. I can actually try to find this. I'm going to show you my loss. I don't remember when it was. It was, I guess, 2 weeks ago. Yeah, this is my loss. Exactly. I took this loss on TradingView TV. It was at the beginning of month, December 2nd. Funny to say, like, see, guys, like eventually we dropped like next day there. That's funny. Exactly to my TP, but still, once again, perfect. It was perfect entry for me. But it was loss. According to plan. I started trading in 2022. I guess it was, yeah, last week of June 2022. Giveaway, I was done with giveaway. Look for tracing right now. Anyway, if I didn't trade gold, I would take this trade anyway, so it could be W for me here because it was planned. See, it displays here. I could enter here with stop loss below the swing low, and I could aim for 50% and 62%. I could take win anyway. Displaced where? To upside. Over here. This one. Let me move this. This one. Okay, let's talk about perfume for beginners. I'm going to go through. I have website, which I normally don't promote, but I'm going to show you anyway. How can I? Lessons. Not this one. Are you kidding me? 1 second, I'm going to show you. It was from my lesson on. Which monitor? This one? Not this one. This one. I'm going to show you something right now. If you're beginner in so it's my website, but if you go here and you will find smart match here, you just need to click this one and you can pick your options. For example, my balance, I only started trading like prop firms. My balance between $50 and $100. I want to go here. What is your trading experience? I'm beginner, so what is your trading style? I'm day trader, right? What matters most for you? For example, fast payouts, high profit split. I want to scalp, right? I want to low entry. It's like about commission. It's like really not necessary for you. Easy to pass. Obviously, I want to easy to pass. So must have trading queue, must allow news trading. I don't need this one. No special requirements for me, like whatever. I'm in the United States, but you can enter your country here to see if your country is not listed list, United States, and here what I can use. My perfect match for me. For example, first is going to be Lucid because it's one-time evaluation fee. no activation fee, no buffer for payouts, then it's going to be Tradify. I would say select plan, but growth plan as well, because with growth plan, I can pass for 1 day. Yeah. 90% profit split. I mean, Lucid and Tradify, like really best one for beginners, I would say. They are like really friendly for beginners. To pass accounts, like really small risk. Let me show you something. I have Pro Tools in my option. I have futures lot size calculator. For example, let's talk about this. It's really a useful tool. I have 50K account. Maximum daily loss limit, let's say I picked like Tradify growth plan, $1,250. Risk, it's a question about risk. How much do you risk per trade to pass an account? Let's say $300. Normal I risk this, $300. I trade, let's say micro gold. And for today, for example, my stop loss was 8 points. This means what I can do. With 8 point stop loss, in order to risk $300, I can trade only 3 micro contracts. And I'm going to risk $240. See this? And if I'm going to, let's say, take a loss, my maximum daily loss limit minus my loss equals $1,000. It's like option. It's free tool. Another free tool, consistency rule calculator. So if you're trying to pass your select plan, 40% consistency rule. So you can calculate how much you need to make. 800, let's say $450, $450, 500, okay, like let's say $600. So for example, in order to pass 50K select plan, I need to make $2,500. My account balance right now, $2,300. I need to make extra $200. See? I'm consistent with my profit. You don't wanna off your what do you mean by this? I guess you're not talking with me, right? So consistency rule calculator. Another tool which I create, drawdown simulator. So it will show you, you can use this drawdown calculator to understand the difference between end of the day drawdown and intraday trading drawdown. So I'm going to send you this website. You can use free tools there. There is news there, like this, everything there. My husband helped me to create everything. Like I had lots of ideas and he helped me to code everything there. It's free tools, lot size calculator, consistency rule calculator, drawdown simulator. Like you can play with this. Like there are news there. You can play with everything there. I sent link in the chat. It's completely free, guys, for you. I'm using this as well. So because when I was creating this stuff, I was like, I want to use this as well. I want to see, like, to have perfect calculator. I want to have simulator to understand difference between end of the day in intraday drawdown and so on. So what else I want to add? As you can see, ES just touched 50% of this move down. It was our like level that we were looking for. On SPX, we entered target area, which means what? If market traded to drop, it will drop only from this area, not higher. Once we break above 70.5% of this OT retracement, we have invalidation of bearish bias until probably end of the day. So that's pretty much it. For gold, really hard to say right now because it's pretty much right now in discount. That's pretty much what we want to see. But I would say if it's not going to offer anything on 5 or 15-minute chart, probably I'm not going to long this. How much pay? It depends, like really depends. For example, Take Profit Trader has daily payouts. You can take like $500, you can take $5,000. It's really hard to talk about like payouts. Like there's no like fixed amount for the month. For example, 1 month I can take payout from Apex. 1 month I cannot take payout from Apex, right? Take challenge. Well, you can backtest 3-6 months. This data will be enough for you to start trading, right? Challenge account. You just need to figure out what you want to trade, what setup you want to test on challenge, right? And for this, you need to backtest, definitely. Like 3-6 months. TradeZella, perfect tool for backtesting, by the way. Well, I will see you guys in less than 2 hours. I'm going to stream PM session on Tradify TV. I'm going to send you link right now where I'm going to stream. Tradify TV. I'm going to stream there. Oh yeah, thank you, Maximum. I forgot again. I don't have private class. I mean, like, guys, I'm going to repeat this again. I am not even 1% better than you. I cannot teach because I'm not better than you. I don't have, like, like, I'm a teacher, right? Or something like this. I don't have license for this or something like this, once again. I just share my personal experience. I definitely can be wrong. I definitely can take, like, bad trades or something like this. Once again, we're all the same. I'm just on screen. You're not. But you also can be there, right? I just really feel like this. I'm not better than you. Like, seriously. So yeah, I'm going to take my lunch right now just to eat some food. And I'm going to come back in 90 minutes. Let's kill this student PM session. I mean, thank you. Yeah, guys, see you soon. I see you in 1 hour. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys.